To add a number on the screen to the contact list with Smart Select on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the screen where it displays a phone number you like to add to your contact list. As the example, we will add a phone number we search on the internet to the contact list. Next, remove your S Pen. On the Air command, tap Smart Select. Draw around the phone number. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon below the selected area. And then select Add to Contact. Here you can type the required contact info. And then tap Save button to save the phone number to your contact list. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.